where do you configure all of these to set them up for your project? What's the entry point? What are the first few steps that you'll take?
I'm just explaining the user interface in the UI, but you can definitely do it by your console as well. You just type something and you set up all this KB. So here is a service, Amazon Bedrock. Under Amazon Bedrock, we see multiple fields like foundation models, what models I can provide, or knowledge bases. Let's create a knowledge base, or prompt management, or guardrails. You go over these one by one. These are not really related to each other. You just start creating a knowledge base. You just start, hey, this is my data source, and I want to use this embedding model. I want to use this chunking strategy. Here is my vector store. Here is my LLM, and that's it. So basically, you set up your knowledge base. So right now, if you go to your knowledge base, you will see, where is it? You will see a knowledge base here with an ID. That's it. So you go to your prompt management after, you start drafting some prompts. So this is generation prompt number 1. This is generation prompt number 2. This is another prompt, and that's it. If you go to your prompt, for example, here I have 88 prompts. When you come here, you see all of your prompts with their ID. And one thing that I really like about this prompt management is that you can have different versions. So you can test your versions and you can create different versions of the same prompt, like maybe changing some words, changing the wording or anything. Again, you go to your guardrail, add a guardrail, and then you will have your guardrail. At the end of the day, you want to use this in a product. If you're a programmer, you will just use those ID. There are multiple APIs Amazon Bedrock provides to you. There is a retrieve and generate, which is basically RAG. It means that, hey, I retrieve the data for you from your knowledge base, ask for your prompt, and then I generate your response. There is another API named retrieve. So it only goes and retrieve your document from the KB, the most related document to the query you are sending. There are multiple APIs. So I use this retrieve and generate. I mentioned all of those services that I just created. Here is my KB ID. Here is my prompt ID. Here is my guardrail ID, and that's it. So I send this query to Amazon Bedrock. I receive an output. I can do this here as well. When I want to test, so there is a playground. I choose the LLM here. I choose my generation prompt. If you click on the edit, you can choose your prompts, and you can see them listed over there. I choose my guardrail, and that's it. So you can see the results here.